You new to the Christian faith? You are now a part of an amazing family called the church. You might have noticed that the Christian Interwebs is kind of like the holiday family gathering times a million. There are a lot of judgy aunties making comments, uncles who are kind of sketchy, and that one grandpa who's rambling about some conspiracy gospel and some stuff that you're pretty sure you never read in the Bible and you're very certain Jesus did not say. Seems like we're all just yelling at each other online. Maybe not online and in person too, but it's our family and we love them. We keep healthy boundaries, and in love, we hold folks accountable. We may not ask them to come to the dinner next year if they show up just to cause drama, because that's not what we handle. It's not what we do. But what you are seeing is a family like other families. Because we live in a fallen world, relationships are messy, and let me tell you something. We are part of a church body that should be working together like a body. But when you see all of the debating and calling each other out, it doesn't really feel like it, but we're still a family. Remember, we are a massive, massive family, sis. And that family tree holds folks from all seasons, stages, and ages. And we have folks who just became a Christian, some who have had this walk and this journey for a long time. We have family with seasoned members who hold us together, the messy cousins who are still trying to figure it out, and the little, sweet little babies who give us hope. But God is working through all of us, taking us from glory to glory, deeper in relationship with Him. You just see it on display with all these various stages at the same time. While it might seem frustrating to see all that, you're also seeing grace. You're seeing discipline, and you're seeing us challenge each other. Because that's what you do when you love someone. We may not be perfect. We might get some things very, very wrong, and we could do some real damage. You can't not be honest about that. My message to you is to seek wise counsel from family members who can guide and challenge and encourage you, that are scripturally sound. I know that this sister is praying for you, and we welcome you to the family. We love you.